Hi, my name is Caitlin Hecker, and this is my first web-based technology that can be used in a classroom. My classroom in my district, we use a lot of paid apps, so for this activity, I tried to find free alternatives that would be similar to what we use in the classroom. So my first one is the Smithsonian Learning Lab. I actually haven't used this in my classroom, but I definitely will use it in my classroom. All it takes is a teacher's account, and then from there the teacher can plug in their own rosters, and then from there you can create assignments for students to complete. There's different collections of articles, videos, learning modules that students can work through to complete objectives. This last year I am at a loss for what the title was of the website, but we had our home and school purchase accounts for our students to use, and it had the same features. We had leveled text, there were videos, we could assign questions for the students to answer, and it was the exact same setup as this learning lab, but this one is free. So looking at the collections, there are lots of pre-loaded collections. I've just assigned a Mars one to my collection that I can use in the upcoming school year. I found that you can actually add to the collections. You can create your own kind of like module setup with articles and videos that you've found, or you can search things that they have already saved. So they're looking on here. I teach science, so I'm just going to search different science topics. And as you can see, there are lots of preloaded videos, there's books, there are plenty of resources that anybody could use. I'm going to show you the one that I have saved. So within this, it is classified under science. There are the primary age levels, so 5 to 8-year-olds as well as 9 to 12-year-olds. And within this collection, there are lesson plans and teacher resources. There are videos, there are articles, there's photos, all about Mars. So from there, I have it saved in my collection. I can copy the collection, I can create assignments, I can share it, I can just do all kinds of things. So within my classroom, I would use this for sure in science. There's all kinds of topics. They have math collections loaded. They have English language arts collections loaded. Literally anything you were looking for, it is found in the Learning Lab. So I would use it to assist with my teaching as just another form of instruction. My intended audience would be the students. I would share this with my coworkers as there are lots of social studies lessons loaded also, and I would share this with my co-teacher who teaches social studies. Like I said, I haven't used this yet, so I'm still learning through it just like you guys are. I would definitely encourage you to play around with this Learning Lab though, because it does have a lot to offer just from what I've seen working through the website.